So not only have we added a client type where now you can only pick one or another, we're also going to add in another field where now instead of just being able to pick one in a drop-down menu, you could check multiple. So we're going to go ahead and go into the design view here, and we're going to go just below client type on amount paid, and we're going to right click and insert rows. We're going to do a new row where we are doing services needed so that the company can keep track of what the business analysts need to do to help out our clients. We're then going to go here and choose a lookup wizard again instead of choosing one of the other options. There's a lot of services that they can provide, like ad design, banners, billboards, business cards, email newsletters, website hosting, logo design, market research, printing newsletters, podcasting, search engine visibility, shopping cart, and social networking. So we got a lot of things we need to put in. And these don't exist in another table of queries, so we're going to type the values in. So stick with me here. Inside of here, we're not going to put ad design because that's a really long name. They actually, as a company, already have abbreviations to keep track of this stuff. So they have they have ad for ad design, BAN for banners, BILL for billboards, BUS for business cards, eNews for email newsletter, host for website hosting, logo for logo design, MKT for marketing research, news for printed newsletters, pod for podcast, SE for search engine visibility, shop for shopping cart, and SOC for social networking. If you need to pause the video here and rewind to get those back, go right ahead. Next, we're going to go ahead and leave it as services needed, but what's important to note is that we can actually go ahead and make it so that they can select multiple values. That way, we can check every single service type that these clients need and have multiple in this list. Clicking Finish, you're going to see that on the Lookup tab under Field Properties, it's got all the different options available, but instead of being a control dropdown, so if I go here, we've got a combo box. They actually are both combo boxes, but what's cool is it's going to allow you to select multiple. So you can see here, allow multiple values says no, and allow multiple values here says yes. So now if I go into data sheet view and save the table, you're going to see that now under services needed, instead of just being a drop-down menu where I can pick one, I can check multiple options and click OK, and they'll pop in there. So I'm going to go back in here and I'm going to uncheck this. And then I'm going to go here and delete NON so I can just click backspace on my keyboard and click out of it so that we can add in a couple more things and then come back to this to add in the data.